Once upon a time, in the heart of the enchanted forest, lived a curious group of animals. Among them was a wise old owl named Oliver and a mischievous squirrel named Sammy. One day, a mysterious figure arrived in the forest, draped in a shimmering cloak that sparkled with every step. The animals gathered around. The mysterious visitor, known as Luna, revealed herself to be the guardian of the Cloak of Wishes. Luna chose a young animal from the forest to be the next keeper of the magical cloak. The chosen one discovered that the Cloak of Wishes had the power to make dreams come true. The forest was filled with laughter as the animals made wishes, and magical symbols filled the air. However, the young animals soon realized that with great power comes great responsibility. They learned to use the Cloak of Wishes wisely, understanding the impact of their desires on the forest and its inhabitants. Through trials and adventures, the animals of the enchanted forest learned valuable lessons about friendship, responsibility, and the true meaning of a wish. Default text. And so, under the starry night sky, the animals of the enchanted forest celebrated their newfound wisdom, forever grateful for the magical gift of the Cloak of Wishes.